A common question that we receive here at Absolute Services is, what size HVAC system should I have? The answer to that question is, contrary to popular belief, there is no exact rule of thumb. 1 ton of air conditioning can cool as little as 300 square feet and sometimes as much as 800 square feet. Factors involved are construction of the home, the insulation value that you have in your walls, the size and type of windows and doors that are in your house. So the only way to truly know what size you need is for us to do a load calculation on your house. We provide this service for free. We'll send out our comfort advisor. Typically takes an hour, hour and a half, and he will come in and measure every room, measure every window and door, and then we will do a true load calculation, and then we can give you the exact size HVAC system that you need. Having too small of a system requires it to run far too long, which is going to use up a lot more energy than what it should be using. Having one that's too big actually doesn't allow it to run long enough. So that system, if it doesn't run long enough, it's not going to pull the humidity out of the air. So there are many factors that are involved in this, but the only way to truly size your system is to do a load calculation. So any company that will give you an estimate over the phone on what size you need and just by the square footage of your house is not providing a service, a true service to you. If you have any more questions, call our office, 502-561-8444. Thank you.